Energizing Eddie's extraordinary day. Meet Eddie, a curious and energetic young boy who loved to explore the world around him. One sunny morning, Eddie decided to go on an extraordinary adventure to learn all about different forms of energy. With a twinkle in his eye and his trusty backpack, he set out on his quest. Eddie's first stop was at the local playground, where he found a swing set. As he started swinging, he realized he was creating mechanical energy. The higher he swung, the more energy he had. Eddie laughed as he swung higher and higher, feeling like a superhero. Next, Eddie visited the kitchen. He saw his mom using the blender to make a delicious smoothie. "That's electrical energy," Eddie exclaimed. The blender was powered by electricity, which turned fruits and yogurt into a yummy drink. Eddie even pretended to be a superhero, Electron Eddie, for a moment. Eddie then noticed the bright sunlight streaming through the window. He knew it was light energy. Eddie decided to chase his shadow and see how it changed throughout the day. "I'm a shadow detective," he declared with a big grin. In the garden, Eddie stumbled upon a busy beehive. Bees were buzzing, and he knew that was sound energy. He decided to imitate the buzzing bees, making funny sounds that made them dance in the air. "I'm the sound conductor," he giggled. Eddie's last adventure took him to his science kit. He mixed some colorful liquids, creating a fizzy explosion. "That's chemical energy," he said, marveling at the bubbling concoction. It was like a mini fireworks show in his science lab. After a day filled with exciting discoveries, Eddie headed back home, ready to share his newfound knowledge with his friends. He had a few questions for them to test their understanding. What is mechanical energy, and how did Eddie experience it at the playground? Can you think of other examples of electrical energy in your home? How does light energy change throughout the day? And what creates shadows? What is sound energy, and how did Eddie interact with it in the garden? What is chemical energy, and can you name some everyday items or processes that involve it? Eddie couldn't wait to tell his friends about his fantastic adventure and all the cool forms of energy he had discovered. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video so more kids can go on an exciting journey to explore the world of energy with Eddie.